Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how I made these butterfly locks on a nursing mom. She called me to come for home delivery. Apparently she's my friend, so I had to go to her house to make her hair. So I'll be parting her hair right now from ear to ear so that I will get the desired parts that I want. So keep watching to see how I parted her hair.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Take some time just to get back before that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now. Someone I
I'm done parting her hair. This is the hair I'll be using for this tutorial. This is a kinky hair. It's called rosemary. So you pull it out from the pack and start using. I'll just cut off the band at the top of the hair, and that's it. So I'll be sectioning the hair. I'll be using bit by bit. Then the next thing I will do is crochet the hair on the hair that I braided. I'll crochet the hair on the braids I have made already, as you can see. Then first thing I'll do is tie the hair around the hair to make it tight and to have a firm base. Then I'll start making the butterfly locks as time goes on. Just watch on the video so that you understand what I am doing. Then after tying the roots of the hair, I'll use my finger to bring out some parts of the hair and then tie it round again. Okay, so this is how I add the hair, because the hair I used was actually very short, but the reason why I optioned for that particular kinky is because it's kind of soft. It's really soft, so more than the other ones. So I don't want something that will be very tight, and if you notice, you will see I'm not tying it so strong so as to make it soft. All right.
Is my mini body smoking, so they call me Young Nicky Chimney. Rappers and they feel it cause they feeling me. I give 0 and I got 0
Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof. Can you play that again? Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type of shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 make it riding. Don't hesitate when you in it cause you go out, let it get. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. In it cause you go out, let it get. Making up a day for you. touch it, have you? Drip, 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 drip. Last minute drips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. Just touch it, have you? Drip, drip, drip.
So after making the locs, I will fold the end of the locs and wrap it around it, and that's it for this butterfly locs tutorial. So keep watching, because in this video I don't want to say much, so you just have to watch and understand what I'm doing on the video.
Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. And it cushion wild, like it. Making up a day for you bite it. This type shit have you? Drip, 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 drip. Last minute drips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you? Drip, 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 drip. Last minute drips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you island? This type shit have you island? Last minute trips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Flip, 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 baby, ride in. Don't hesitate when you get it cushion wild, like it. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it.
store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going in out of slave. I had that shot, not too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane. Get like a one working on my aim. You too hard to the car. Let's send it to the ground like a brother's by the name. You too hard, crushing on the floor. You gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Hey, we gotta